In the name of Almighty Allah, who is most gracious and most merciful, who enabled me to speak in the front of you. Our respected teachers and dear all guests and my all audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As you know, today is our Independence Day and we are so enthusiastic to celebrate our Independence Day. We celebrate our Independence Day to remember our freedom fighter Mujahideen because they were the one who sacrificed for the countries and got our independence. Our Independence Day is of a great importance to us as it is the only day when we remember our martyrs. And also it's the only day when we forget all our cultural differences and unite as one Muslim Afghan. So what does it mean to be an independent country? Being an independent country means that no foreign power maintains any authority or the control over political and civil processes of its government or its people. In other words, this type of state independence is sovereignty or the right of a nation to chart its own future throughout the self-determination. This is the case with the majority of the country in the modern world due to the collapse of most imperial power in the 19th and 20th century. Independence is a great blessing of Allah Almighty, but the Afghanistan was deprived from this blessing since 40 years. First the Russian attack on Afghanistan, then Americans. Afghan gave sacrifices and got their independence. Now Alhamdulillah, we have an independent country and have one Islamic government. So now it's our responsibility to protect this great divine blessing which have been given to us in the return for countless sacrifices. How can we protect this blessing of freedom and independence? The first thing is the implementation of Islamic system throughout the country, which was the only dreams of our Afghans for which they sacrificed 4 decades. Treating the nation well and appreciating their services and sacrifices throughout the aggression. And removing the enmity between tribes and citizens and turning it into the brotherhood. And all should live under one Islamic umbrella. And pay special attention to the families of the martyrs and orphans and their education. And to create a moderate system in which everyone sees himself and does not himself and to anyone else. So when we do this all thing, we can maintain our independence and solve our problems. Thanks for a nice attention.